Hi there, it's Rich here at Enhance. I just want to show you guys this 2017 Mini Cooper that we've had in for some work recently. So on the front of the vehicle here, you can see we've fitted parking sensors. So on the outer sensor, you've got the colour coded, same colour as the vehicle. In the centre, we've matched the gloss black as well for the trim in the grille. If I just take you around the back here also. So again, 4 sensors on the rear. On the rear of this, again, colour coded to match the vehicle, so they fit in nicely as sort of the factory sensors would do on this particular vehicle. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take you inside and just show you the display on the dashboard. So up on the top of the dashboard here, you have the display for the front parking sensors. So if I start the vehicle, there we go. So this display is speed activated. So once the handbrake is put down, you'll see a red light come up on the display. This is to tell you the display is on. Obviously, as you come closer to an object, it will give you distance as well as a side marker, so to show you which side you're closest to. So my colleague here is just going to walk in front of the vehicle. As you can see, the closer he gets, the display is now lighting up. So it's now telling you you've got an object in the center of the display, also as well as the distance, so 0.4, 0.5, 0.7 of a meter. Obviously left and right will give you left and right on the display also. As soon as you lift the handbrake or exceed 4 miles an hour, the display will turn itself off. You'll get no more until you drop below 4 miles an hour, it then automatically come back on again. Like I say, the rear sensors work slightly differently. So if I put the vehicle into reverse, whether you can hear it, you'll get one beep to tell you the system is on, and then as normal factory parking sensors would work, the closer to an object you get, the more consistent the beeps become. Again, out of reverse will then turn the rear system off. This vehicle has also had heated seats, so if we just jump out, I'll come right. So the benefit of having heated seats in this vehicle, so you get the base pad, so it comes right up to the cushion at the front here, and you also get the rear support, again, all the way up to the line at the top. So it follows these big leather panels on these seats. The buttons are conveniently mounted on the side of the seat here. So we do this for 2 reasons. One, because it's sort of a more factory look. It's obviously nice and convenient for both driver and passenger to turn the seats on and off. It then doesn't mean you have additional buttons on the center console, so you haven't got anything else cluttering up the center of the dash. So these do have 2 heat settings, high and low, and they warm up very, very quickly. So once they're hot, you can click them down to low. So red light is high setting. Center is off, click it down, will go green, which is low. Like I say, very, very fast to heat up. And as you can see, there's no difference on the seat. The seat looks as it would be from factory. You can't see any of the work we've done, bar the button on the side of the seat. It's just nice and comfy, especially in the winter and the cold weather. So if this is something you're looking for, if you're interested in sort of upgrading your vehicle, by all means, please give us a call. 01622 737393, or you can contact us at caraudioKent.co.uk. Thank you.